To add customers, select Customers, Add a Customer from the main menu. In the Customer Name field, enter the customer's name. When you have two customers with the same name, add a number to the end of the next customer name to make it a unique name. You cannot have duplicate customer names. To make reporting easier, allocate the customer to a category. If you do not have a category, click on Add New Category to create your category. If you tick the checkbox Cash Sales Customer, all details fields will be grayed out, and these details will be captured as the customer document is created. Confirm that the active checkbox is ticked to enable processing to this customer. Enter a credit limit if you are allowing the customer to purchase on credit, and if the customer is registered for VAT, enter the customer's VAT number. It is important to obtain written permission from the customer that the customer accepts electronic documents. Only if this option is selected may you email documents to your customer. Complete all the remaining contact details for the customer and click on the Save button to close the screen, or Save and New button to create additional customers.